bring to you the Blizzard of Tri-Cities. Perfect. So this dash mount camera holder deal was purchased because it said it was going to be good to keep the jiggles and the motion nice and steady while we drive. I figured this would be a great time to test that theory.
Full-on testing with graded snow roads that are bumpy.
Hey, what better way to test it?
Really bumpy.
Well, it's not looking too good. It's not looking too good at all.
Stuck van.
Oh, go backwards.
Yeah, we got green light now.
That's why it's backward. Don't come back out again. Fine. We're in the flow.
I can already see.
We have survived wave 1 of the blizzardous attack.
Sub-Zero wins.
I think he's trying to get some extra traction.
We're good.
Yeah, we're good.
16 degrees outside.
It's all good. Hello, Pom-Pom.
Scares up to his knees. Or gal.
It's a gal.
Put it right on the shoulder.
I have a feeling I could go faster on the sidewalk right now.
You could, but let's not. And say we didn't.
It'd be fun though.
It would be extremely fun.
Why?
But let's not. Let's say we
I
didn't.
don't want it.
Didn't I?
It would be exhilarating.
It's a fine accelerator.
And this crosswalk thing has been blinking the whole time.
It's probably.
Well, it thinks there's somebody there.
Yeah. It's broken. Like NPCs in Skyrim, they get broken.
Hey, James. All right. That's the worst
Oh,
part.
look at this.
Nothing.
Yeah, for us, but
Wow. I'm trying to shoot these cars.
oh, there's a rat in the road.
Fail. Oh, look at that little wacko.
Well, it doesn't stick to the dashboard.
Yeah, when
very
you're
well
jumping.
either.
Oh, they're stuck. They're trying to push that car out. That car has no business
Exactly.
at all.
I should tell
Being
Tom
out on
just
the
to stay home. He's going to attempt to come over. Oh my god. Once you get out of the subdivisions, though, it's not bad, right?
No, it's not at all. But that car has no business trying to even get out of the subdivision. He's just going to hit this truck. Oh, yeah, there you go. Stop on the hill.
Yeah.
There you go. No. 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 You better start pushing him. There you go.
Oh, spinning like crazy. It's a front wheel drive.
Yeah, that he's just hammering on it.
But the tires don't look like they have any tread on them.
Well,
Maybe some, but even so, they're not. You need a try.
What?
All my weight is under the tarp in the back.
Right?
Why'd you stop? Oh, wait, they let his buddy in, who should have never got out of the car in the first place.
Right?
And now the door's not even closed. There's a lot of special people around right now.
Yeehaw! I think it's just a little easier to hold it.
until that happens.
think it's safe to say my Dura Gadget car holder, which is supposed to be fantastic for stability, is not so stable.
It's from Germany.
Well, das ist supposed to be sehr gut, but nein,
Better not.
it's nicht gut. It's scheiße. But just remember, when Mama's books turn to movies, we're gonna be building our place, and it's gonna have lots of land. But if we can get a place that has true 4 seasons, we can experience the beauty of all 4 seasons. No, Tri-Cities gets winter, we get very, very cold, and we get summer, we get very, very hot. We do have spring and fall, but honestly, it's like 2 weeks of spring. It goes from cold, and it's tolerable for 2 weeks, and then bam, triple digits. Hello in your face, get ready or not, here it comes. And it's same with the cold. We don't always get snow, we just get cold. And as far as I'm concerned, if it's gonna be miserable 10 degrees, it better be pretty like this. It's a beautiful road, I like this road.
Horsey! Or is that a junkie?
Oh my Lanta, that was a miniature. A miniature. That's too tiny for even a Shetland. Whee!
The eye of the street. Oh my god,
I love it when they get all wow.
Can you drift?
This is where the mailman came drifting and freaking. Yeehaw!
You would have.
Windshield.
Still there.
Thank you. Everybody, if you're local, or even if you're not, this is not conditions for a car unless you have a car with 4-wheel drive, like a Subaru or something. If you have a car, call friends, call family, call an Uber. Heck, call me. Well, don't call me, message me or something like that. Anyways, and
Horse-drawn carriage would be safer.
horse-drawn carriage. Call somebody else to come and help you, pick you up. Do not take your car out in this. It's just, I realize if you only have a car and that's your only mode of transportation, that's why I'm saying call somebody else that has 4-wheel drive and stabler vehicle, because it's just irresponsible. Not only are you putting yourself at risk, you're putting others at risk, and that's not cool. So stay safe out there, everybody.
And you're slowing us all down.
Yeah, creating frustrations, I guess that, yeah, road rage. And road rage in these conditions, never good.
Hey, look, Deja.
Never good. Yeah, there's a lot of cars. A lot of cars. And, well, I'm sorry, y'all. It's just not smart. Stay safe. Here, I'll take it.
YouTube down.
YouTube down.
Mr. Phil.
Okay, I think it's safe to say that this camera mount kind of sucks.